In this course, we're going to have 5 methods that you can use to prove that triangles are congruent. In this particular section, we're going to take on 2. One is called the SSS postulate, and the other one is called the SAS postulate. The SSS postulate says that if I have 2 triangles, and all 3 sides of one triangle are congruent to all 3 sides of the other triangle, then the 2 triangles are congruent. That's pretty straightforward. We can prove triangle congruency by showing that all 3 sides are congruent. The other one is something called the SAS postulate, okay, which says that if 2 sides of one triangle are congruent to 2 sides of the other triangle, and the angle included by those 2 sides is also congruent, then the 2 triangles are congruent. They have the same size and same shape. Now you have to be cautious with SAS, because 2 things you have to recognize is that a SS and SSA, when the angle is not included inside the 2 sides, will not work. So let's give an example as to why that is. Okay, so why not ASS or SSA? Sometimes I call this AS and AS backwards, so we need to know why not these. Alright, so let's say I have a triangle, right? And I have this side congruent to this one with that angle. So that would be angle side side or side side angle. Okay, then I can create 2 situations. I can create one that's identical to it, where I have side side angle, but I can also create another one that looks like this, where this angle is congruent to that angle, the length of this side is the same as this side, and the length of this side is the same as that one. These are, of course, not congruent, which is why I cannot rely on ASS or SSA as ways of proving congruent. So today we learned 2, if I have 3 sides congruent, or 2 sides and the angle that's included by those 2 sides congruent, then I can count on the 2 triangles being congruent.